All right. I am really sorry. I am really sorry. I am so sorry. Maybe if I drip some of this water on my eyes, I can look like I'm crying. People make mistakes, and I am people. Lunchtime.
Yep.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, y'all. I want to start by saying that everybody makes mistakes, and everybody has those days. And I have made a mistake, and I'm genuinely so sorry. So if you want to unfollow me, I get it, I understand, and I just hope that someday you can forgive me. I didn't mean to disrespect the greatest holiday that exists. So I'm gonna show it to you, and I hope that you can forgive me. Your eyes do not deceive you. This is a Christmas wreath design on my Halloween frame in October. I'm literally making myself tear up. Okay, yes, this is a Christmas wreath on my Halloween frame. Hear me out. You know what? I don't blame you for not wanting to hear me out. I don't even want to hear myself out. This is making me angry. But at the same time, I am excited to make this.
Oh my God, bro.
The only thing that makes this okay is that I was like, if I were to put a Christmas wreath up, what would I want it to look like? To be honest with you, I hate red and green together. It hurts my eyes. So this is the color scheme of the design. And you'll probably be able to see the design more clearly here, but it's kind of like spooky-ish. It's kind of grungy. So what's here is what I'm going to be tufting. The circles are going to be 3D. I know, see, you're excited too. Let yourself be excited. You don't have to tell anybody. I'll keep your secret for you. So yeah, we're gonna make a 3D spooky Christmas wreath. It is time to start tufting this. Ignore him, that's Brog, Bat Frog. He's gonna be joining us, okay? We're gonna start with the moon and the sparkles. My cut pile is like just very slightly longer than my loop pile. So the moon and sparkles, cut pile, and then the rest of it is gonna be loop pile. And I think that's gonna look really cute. That's the ugliest thing I've ever tufted, I think. Okay, so we're behind the frame because what I want to do is give it a little bit of a carve, like just a little. I hate doing this. It's so scary because you can very easily cut holes in the frame, but we're not going to do that. That's not going to happen. So the reason that I'm doing this is because the rest of the piece is going to be done in loop pile, which loop pile can't really be carved. So it's just easier to do all the like carving details before the loop pile is on. All right, we are putting away the cut pile. We're going to bring in the loop pile. I'm making a mess. Oh, problems. Oh no. Ah, look, it's Miss Pile. Who remembers Miss Pile?
Everyone.
Everyone just said me. What are you doing here? What video are you from? Right! The Christmas wreath. Right. No, I still have it. No, I still have it. Yeah, no, hold on. I still have it here somewhere. Hold on, actually, it might be in my bag. Let's check really quick. No, I don't see it. Oh my god. I found it. You were actually holding on to it. Look at that. Here it is. Nothing to worry about. I'm so holly jolly. I feel so holly jolly right now. So you feeling those holly jolly vibes? All right, so yeah, here's where we're at. It's looking really spectacular if I do say so myself. I'm holding it upside down. What we do need to do is the edges need to be glued down. All right, let's glue the edges, shall we? The edges are glued. So next step is pom-poms. I made a snowman for you. Wow, happy holidays. These are the colors that we're going with. So they're all sparkly. We'll start at the top as beautiful lavender sparkly. Look at her. She's so stunning. Then we've got gray sparkly. Wow. And then white sparkly. So let's start making pom-poms. So if you've never seen a pom-pom maker before, this is what they look like. You pull these out and you start wrapping yarn around these C's. I also have two sizes. I have a big one and the small one. We're gonna make both, just like this. So you just keep going around and around and around the entire thing until it looks like this. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. Perfect. So now we close them up towards the center so that it looks like this. And then down that split, I get my scissors in there and cut. So you just cut all down the middle and you make a nice butt crack. Then I'm going to take some yarn and put it through the middle piece and then pull. Oh, nice and tight because you're basically tying all of these little pieces of yarn together. Leaving my tail kind of long because I want to stitch it to our wreath. I'm going to tie it and knot it a couple of times. And now we can open these up and then pull it apart and we have our pom-pom. I do like to give it a little bit of a trim. So we're going to turn all of this yarn into pom-poms. Ah, they are so cute. And no, it didn't take me several hours to make these. Who spends several hours making pom-poms? Definitely not me. All right, so we're going to attach our pom-poms to the front. And since there's no glue yet, because thinking ahead, yeah, I do that all the time. I'm good at it. It's going to be very easy to stitch through. So I have a big chunky needle. I also arranged them and took a picture so I know exactly where they're going. Again, big brain. I think let's start with the most bottom ones and then work our way to the top. So I have two ends here sticking out from the pom-pom. So I think I'm going to thread one and then I'm going to stitch it through. Then I'm going to thread the other end. I'm going to kind of lift the pom-pom and find a spot, not in the same exact spot, but kind of like a few stitches over and pull that through. Now on the other side, we have our two ends. So I'm basically just going to tie our pom-pom to the back and then snip the ends. Okay, moving on. Normal behavior. Normal for me anyway. So I'm going to repeat that same process for all of my pom-poms. All right, all the pom-poms are on. You know what wasn't big brain is that now that the pom-poms are on and we go to glue the backing on, it's going to be all lumpy and stuff, but it's fine. It's fine. Nobody freak out. It's fine. So I did already cut the perfect piece. Anyways, we're going to slap some glue on this lumpy thing. Nice. We're also going to slap the backing on. Night, night. Oh my god. This is really... Okay. I think I can flip it now. I'm going to flip it. All right, I'm probably going to put some weights on it overnight, and then we're going to let it dry. We'll come back tomorrow. I'm so excited to see it done. Oh my god. All right, y'all. I'll see you when it's ready. I've been playing a lot of Animal Crossing. Anyways, the Christmas wreath is done. Can we call this Christmas? I'm calling it Christmas, but it's kind of giving Silent Night. Silent Night. Oh. Anyways, it's done, and I think it came out really, really cute. My camera battery hates it, apparently. Or maybe it just hates my singing. I don't blame it. Look at our beautiful little pom-poms. Look at them. I'm watching you. You better look at them. And our sparkles and the moon. I'm really glad that we went with the colors that we did. I know this is kind of an unconventional, not what you normally see, kind of Christmas wreath, but did you think I was gonna make something normal, especially for Christmas? Look at how 3D the pom-poms are. Oh my god. Oh, also, I put a hanger on the back. I swear I did. It's so hidden that I can't even find it. Here it is. Da, 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 da. So it can hang on the wall, because I can't imagine that you'd want to put this on your floor unless you want to trip and fall. A really magical thing about this wreath is that it's live on my website right now. So if you want to buy it, you can. Let me know what you think of my version of a Christmas wreath. My antidepressants are working really hard. They've got me making Christmas decorations. Anyways, y'all, happy holidays. I hope you're having... The world is crazy and full of terrors, but I still hope that you're having a good December. And I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Leave a comment. Let me know how you think I did. What colors would you do together? And leave me a like, because you know that helps and stuff. Spread the holiday cheer by liking my video. Anyways, I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be very cursed. Bye. Maybe not actually, but a couple of videos from now. And I'm genuinely so sorry. And I just hope that someday you can forgive me. I'm scaring myself. Makes me want a hot dog real bad. Wait, what? Where did this come from? This was unscripted. Whoa! I gotta take this off. I look like JoJo Siwa. Jeez. Here, we'll do these gay stars. It feels more me anyway.